You are welcome to Ranking IT Home, and don't forget to contact him for all premium software and your device unlocking. You can call or WhatsApp him on +2335 5759 5824 or +2332 6343 1393. Ranking IT, we solve your problem within a second and also give you affordable price. Thank you.
You are welcome to Ranking IT. Please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. A lot of people have been watching my videos, which helps them to do whatever they want to do, but they don't like, they don't subscribe. But anytime they need help, then they come into my DM and be begging for the software. Please, if you want me to go far or be doing more videos, please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. Yes, so that that will impress me when I'm doing the videos. I can be doing more stuff for you people to learn from Ranking IT. So please like my channel and comment. You are welcome to Ranking IT. Please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. So today I'm having this Ziggroll version 4 with keygen, and I'm going to show you how to install the program. Yeah, how you can install the program. It works with it supports L8050 and also any Acro printing printer. Yeah, it's worked with it. So if you want to use it, it does not jam. Yeah, no jam paper. Yeah. So let's start and let me show you how you can install it. Please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. If you need the program to that, you can just contact Ranking IT. Then we take it right away from there. So as we are not going to waste much time, this is what you have to know. Let me open this zip, then run it. And please make sure that your computer is connected to the internet, because without internet, this program is not going to install. Yeah, it needs an internet connection before the program can install. So let's wait for the installation. Sure. So welcome to the Ziggroll setup wizard. So hit on next, then install. Okay, now the program has already been installed. So let me show you one thing that many people don't know. Yeah, many people don't know. Let me close this file. Oh, let's run it. So it's saying any key to continue, meaning if you press on any key, the software is not going to open because it have not been licensed. Yeah, the software have not been licensed. So here is the keygen for the software. That's the keygen for the software. So first, what we need to do is to right click and open its file location. So here's the registration. This one, we open this one, then you enter your email address. So let me type in, here's my email, gmail.com. Then I'll click on this create key. Click on it once. So that's the key that it has generated. It will give you the hard drive. Sorry, the hard drive. Yep. You click on it once, then copy, or you can also go to the request date. So here is it right here. Here is it. This one. This is what we are going to use to activate the software. So you close this, then keep this one here. This one should be our eye contact. Then let's close this one. Okay, here is the key. Let me extract it from the zip file. Boom. Okay, so here is it. Then bring this one here. Then this one should be somewhere here. Now here is it. So what you have to do is you just click on this roll print keygen. Then here, that's the keygen. That's the keygen for it. Then you copy this request date. You copy this one, then upload it here. Then you hit on decrypt. Yeah. click on it once. So that's the email that I typed. That's my email, my hardware, my hard drive. That's my hard drive. Then I'll click on this create key. From here I'll sign in. Yeah, after signing in, you see that there will be a green tick right here. There's a green tick right here. So you save the file. Yeah, then you show it. So that's the Lance's key. That's the Lance's key. What you have to do is you just open this one, then you copy this date and upload it here. So okay, so let's run the program and see if it's going to work. Fine. Okay. So it's working now. Yeah, it's working now. So what you have to do is this program does not work on Windows 11. It only works on Windows 10. Yeah, it works on Windows 10. So here you can put in any printer. If you have your printer in this machine, you just change the name and then put in the printer name here. And these are the printers that it supports. These are the printers. This one. So if you need the program, you can just contact Ranking IT and I'll send it to you right away. Please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.